Hey traders, today's trade of the day is actually going to be on Ford. It's my favorite setup by far, and it's the multi-day break, right? Especially when you have momentum to the high side, we take the longs. If momentum's been going down the past few days, then we go short. So we're going to pick Ford. Ford's been on an absolute tear. If you see here, this is the last couple days, nice little momentum to the top side. But look where we stalled out back here on the 12th, 1580. 1580 a couple days ago, and then today we shoot up to that level. So we're looking at a 1580 break. What we let happen here, this is today's 1 minute chart. So you can see we let it settle down early. We didn't really see this trade until after 9:30. So we also are lucky enough to build a base down here. So we have a spot to go if we're wrong. So we know that if we punch through here at 1580 and we're able to get out here, we have this 1560 that we resisted a couple times on these downside wicks, right? So we do have a wick off bottom there. Shout out to Michael Noss from Trade Ideas for that one. Down to 1560 there. Now upside. So there we go. We take the trade, and this is like a max position trade because, again, we have that out so we can easily identify, how much we're going to lose. But again, we don't think like that because this is a setup that we believe in. So what happens instantly? We actually don't even really start to scalp off until it gets up about 7, 8, 9 pennies. So right in there, that's 87s. You might have seen on the show. If I take these off, you'll see it was bouncing around here on decent volume. So we weren't sure if some of these bottoms might hold because it does wick back down. So that's like, it kind of tells me that maybe we need to get some out. So we do have a good position on. So we just start emptying them in this area. And you can see it actually bounces back down here, sub 1590 again. But we're holding the longs. I think it was like 80 and a half or, basically 1580 long. We managed to get out. We showed it right on the show. This is the thing. I'm always going to try to get out at key levels, right? $16. There was 850,000 shares there on the Edge X gateway. So we were able to see that there. We took it out. It breaks through and we're like, run, run, run. Now what we should have done just to maximize this trade, we should have, once it started to come back down in, we should have punched out right there once it broke 16 back to the downside. We didn't do that. Unfortunately, we're holding a little small piece here and then it bounces around in the 90s and we say, you know what, let's just take this out at 90 and we get our last piece of Ford. We're holding a small piece, 5% right now, just to see if this level holds. I think this is maybe worth buying again. We're gonna have to watch the market, but this is Ford. It's a hit it and quit it trade here. Take the multi-day break that we like, boom it to the upside. Have a fantastic weekend and join us again soon at 3 p.m. here on Friday. But if you're joining us every day at 8:30 for our main show, then Memes and Movers at 11, and then the Power Hour back at 3. So we're on all day for you. Trader TV Live on YouTube. Check it out.